Reporting and reporters. Reporting is a journalist's word for research, for the collection of data, for gathering facts. In journalism, this research is topical. It deals with current events and contemporary issues and people. Reporting is the art, the skill, and the profession of gathering information for immediate use. Reporters are always short of time. They have deadlines almost every minute, since they serve newspapers in several time zones and with varying press times. Slow workers, please remain outside. Readers want news related to local, regional, national, and international issues. The elite class like to read on topics of international appeal. Newspapers commonly use their reporters in two ways. They assign some to explicit areas called beats, and they keep others on call as general assignment reporters to work on anything that needs to be done. Beats are traditionally places where news regularly occurs at courts, police headquarters, the offices of different ministries, state capitals, and business capitals. Reporters may be assigned to broad areas like health, environment, consumer issues, lifestyle, entertainment, and the arts, as well as to business, labor, and politics. The editor and the publisher of the newspaper are responsible for whatever is printed in it. The news content of the newspaper is looked after by the news editor. Newspapers, news magazines, business publications, and many other publications maintain news bureaus or reporting centers in different cities to gather news. Wire services or news agencies like Associated Press, United News of India, Press Trust of India, and many other news agencies gather news and distribute it to newspapers and other publications. Editors plan ahead so as to have feature stories for the front pages of sections in the coming Sunday issue. Editors assign reporters to interview interesting people to write personality features. Reporting has entered specialized areas like educational journalism, real estate journalism, medical journalism, investigative journalism, and many other streams. Once journalism was a mission. Today, news is a commodity whose sale and distribution can generate large profits. Getting a scoop has become a matter of life or death. The editor has news coming to him from a whole range of sources and thus has his own assessment of the facts. This may be quite different from that of the reporter covering events on the spot. To be a successful reporter, one must have news sense or flair or a nose for news. A nose for news is a newsroom metaphor for an understanding of news and news values and the ability to recognize the story when it comes along. Much of reporting is based on asking people what they saw or did, and writing a story is dependent on that observation. As they say, we don't see things as they are, we see things as we are. Experienced reporters learn as much as possible about their own community against the basic background of general knowledge about the community. Experienced reporters build lines of communication to news sources. They carefully build friendships and develop acquaintances and contacts. Reporters look for individuals in power who can provide meaningful information. Experienced reporters know how to use governmental records and publish information available from government and other sources. They know how to use libraries and locate and read annual reports, budgets, proposals, minutes of meetings, court records, and statistical data of all kinds. Experienced reporters know what kind of information can be found in the city mayor's office and what is in a court clerk's records. Experienced reporters know that there's a lot of useful information in the records of the Registrar of Deeds and in the tax collector's office. Experienced reporters work on the premise that someone knows that somewhere there's a record book, a report, a data bank that contains the information they need. Experienced reporters who specialize in subjects of news interest often become recognized experts. They write authoritative newspaper articles, magazine pieces, and books as well. Where there are views in conflict, attempts should be made to bridge the gap between the competing viewpoints by showing how they rate on various value dimensions. It is important to realize the importance of time and money. To succeed in journalism, reporters have to be proactive and they must be aware of the latest developments. The reporter who is not able to play the keyboard of a computer like a typewriter cannot succeed in journalism. The reporter who understands and is comfortable with computers can access huge data banks, sort out the information needed, and analyze it with the help of appropriate software. At times, he will have his emotions strained to the utmost. He will see suffering and his heart will bleed, but he has to be unbiased in whatever he does. His reporting should not reflect what he thinks could be right. Even the simplest and apparently most obvious stories are subject to distortion. The reporter should consciously avoid distortion and report facts as they are. Anticipation is part of a good reporter's equipment, closely linked to the desire to be the first with the news. The newspaper's main function, the delivery of news, to be met with the basic journalistic standards, must be enforced in all its departments and all its features. Gossip and rumors, untested by rigorous reporting, cannot coexist with news without cheapening the product. Reporters learn early that it is easy to make mistakes unless information is carefully checked and verified. Mistakes are prone to happen, and the editor rectifies them by cross-checking with other reports wherever possible. Accuracy derives not only from careful reporting and painstaking verification, but also from the care with which reporters handle the information. Careful reporters verify and cross-check as they go along, and after they have written their copy, they read it carefully, line by line, word by word, to be sure that it corresponds with their notes.